See, no. I can wear this. My vehicle is parked at the center of our people.
No worry, that one.
Hold on. So,
good evening, everyone. This is an advice to everyone, and also an experience I passed through. I cried, and I know that crying will solve the problem.
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Naomi Gist TV. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. And for my returnees, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I do really appreciate. Yes, so my people, today gist as I still shook my mouth for this matter where don't they go viral on social media for the past 3 days now. You know, I believe all of you know this Nigeria actor Chiwetalagu, where all this military man, you know, arrest because he wear this Biafran attire. You know, so this matter, I never wanted to put my mouth to, but I say I still shook mouth put some more. You know, I still air out my own opinion. You know, truth not say me they not talk the way this matter be. You know, truth not say me they not talk because the way these people treat this man, not be so they're supposed to treat this man. Because this man, a man where they put smile on our face. You know, if you see this man, when this man they watch the act an Hollywood movie, the man they very, very funny. You know, but the way they treat him, maltreat him, because at the end now, then they say they're not maltreat him. But the video where they take maltreat him, the video don't go viral, you know. The way they treat him, to my own opinion, they not do well at all. If I talk finish now, my people, I go release the video for now, make una see with una eye how they take maltreat him and all that. But all thanks to Actor Guild of Nigerian, where they take come out, you know, come take support him, come make sure say they release them from the hands of those people. You know, at least they really try. They do well where they take come out, come support. And thanks to all Nigerians, you know, as they take publish this video, where the video quick go viral. If not, what did they for use this my eye see for their custody? Yeah, now only God, now for no that one. You know, thank God for the way the whole matter still be. You know, so my people make una live on a thought, okay, concerning this matter how una see am. So make a quick leave the video for now, make una watch before we go to the next video.
Hey! Mamba. Dia ni muka. Ini diri tiri waka abu. Ini diri tiri abu.
Rising, this is song. This is Rising Sun, not Biafra, not Eastern Security Network. Do you understand? Stand up. So, with my education, I know areas to go, areas not to go. It could be better for you to be videoing all this. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. So let's listen to the facts. They know how to react to the facts. This is the implication of this. Rising Sun. Me, I believe that.
No, 30 minutes.
I was right.
Gather people.
Black market. If you talk about well, this is just civil dress.
Come this way.
I was buying bread, 10,000 naira bread, sharing the one.
Come this way.
No campaign, nothing. Sharing bread, 10,000 worth of bread. When they came, nobody was doing demonstration or carrying people along. People who were hungry, I was giving them bread.
I tell you.
I was giving them bread.
Then deploy.
Is it wrong to give your feet?
Thank you very much, members of Actors Guild of Nigeria. Mr. President sent me here yesterday because of the problem with the Army had with Chiwetelagi. I am here at the Executive Division, Nigerian Army Headquarters in Enugu. This is Chiwetelagi. Mr. President, Emeka Rollas, this is Chiwetelagi. He is hale and healthy. Nothing happened to him. He is settled with the Army, and he is actually a happy man. You have anything to say to him?
Keep on supporting knowledge. It's the only hope, the only baby we have to sustain both our public and our private lives. Thank you very much.
So this other video now, this our Nollywood actress, another Nollywood actress. Her story is so somehow touching anyway. But for my own opinion, I stand to be corrected. You know, I think the so-called prophet took advantage of her because of her greed of getting, let me say, fake alert. You know, because according to her, she said this prophet tell her say, now so she go get alert. You know, the man come pray put for her ATM card and all that, come cover and say make she put am for her pocket. You know, I think her quest for quick money, you know, drag her into this. Yeah, my people, may not be say they talk too much. I go release the video for you now, make una listen with una own ear, and at the end, not forget to leave your thoughts. Still leave your comment how you see am, whether the way she take do, whether she behave well or not. And not forget, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave your comment below, and also share the video. And if you've not subscribed, my brothers and sisters, please help me to click on that red subscribe button, okay? And also turn on the post notification so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.
Good evening, everyone. This is an advice to everyone, and also an experience I passed through yesterday. On my way going back from location, an elderly man came across to me and asked me if I know a way to Divine Hospital. And I told him I don't know anywhere in Asaba, apart from the places I go for work. Then I said he should wait a minute. He should just give me a minute. Let me go nearby and ask someone so that the person will come and direct him. And I went to a shop. I asked the guy if he knows somewhere that is called Divine Mercy Hospital. He said yes. I said, please come along and give this man the direction, because he's stranded. And he said he has someone that is about to die in the hospital. Then after that, the guy now came and gave the man the direction. So I now decided to go a little away from that place to get something for myself to eat. The man now came with his car and said I should stop, that he has a vision for me. He saw a vision for me. I said, okay, I'm listening. He said, my mom left 3 years ago, 2 of us. I said, true. And my dad died when I was a little. I said, yes. He said I should not worry, that today marks the end of my suffering, because he has seen that I've been struggling since my mom left. I said, yes, sir. He said I should wipe my tears, that everything is going to be all right. After that, he now said I should just wipe away my tears. I said, thank you so much. He asked me if I'm a Christian. I said, yes, I'm a Christian. He now introduced himself as a Reverend Father. Reverend Father Jude, that's what he calls his name. And said that he saw a miracle going to happen on my way, that God has already answered my prayer because I have been suffering for long. So he now said, okay, do I have my ATM? I said, yes. He said a big amount of money is going to enter my account. That is the way that God wants to wipe away my tears. I said, I believe in God. He told me that he loves that. He loves people that love God. He now said I should bring out my ATM. So he will pray on top of that, my ATM, so that the miracle will manifest. I brought out my ATM. He now prayed. Asked me to pray also. I prayed with my pure heart. He now gave me a paper, said I should wrap my ATM. I wrapped the ATM. He now said I should after he now laid a prayer on that ATM and said, from today I'll be seeing miracles. God have already answered my prayers. I said, thank you so much, sir. So he now said I should put down my ATM inside my small purse, that I should not bring it out so that all these boys walking around in the night will not collect it from me. I said, okay, sir. I put it inside the bag exactly the way he told me. Then for me to enter Keke from Traffic Junction and reaching Access Bank Junction, I saw a debit alert. I was like, what did I do with my money? Because I didn't go to any bank, I didn't go to POS. I was just cross-checking that in my memory, and I saw another debit alert. Behold, this man just debited my lifetime savings. Money I've been saving all this while. He just collected it from me for no reason. Immediately I got home, what I saw in the exchange of my ATM card was this. This is what I got in place of my ATM. I cried, and I know that crying won't solve the problem. I also went to the bank. They said they can't do anything. Even if I take the case to the police people, they will not do anything. And I laid a curse on that man. I laid a curse with the spirit of my late mom and my late father, because he used it against me and also used God's name against it. Please, I know that this video will go viral and he will come across this video. Wherever you are, whether you call yourself Reverend Father Jude or anything you call yourself, your cup has already been filled up. This is your last bus stop. And I pray God will surely judge you. The cry of an orphan will never go in vain. God will surely judge you wherever you are.